Yeah, thanks so much. Been part of this. I'm really grateful, Jennifer. You've been part of this journey. How long we've been working together?
I don't know. I haven't really tracked.
10 months.
Is not that long? How
8 months.
long?
Probably 9 months, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
It seems like yesterday.
Yeah. Awesome. So do you want to just quickly introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Okay, well, I'm Jennifer and I'm from Mackay, Queensland. Mackay is a regional town in North Queensland, and currently I've got two businesses that I'm running. I've got a tax practice, which is a franchise, which is the Tax Store Mackay, and I've also got a bookkeeping business that I run separately, and we provide BAS services and bookkeeping services. So I'm pretty busy. I've got a grown-up family and a partner, and yeah, so life's pretty full. I'm working towards my freedom plan, and Simon's been helping me to achieve that.
Thank you. All right. So normally we just want to dive in a little bit about before you join. So what are some of the problems that you were facing before you joined the New Age Practice program?
So probably feeling like I'm on the treadmill, and the treadmill's going round and round, and you're not really going anywhere. You're doing the same thing. So you get up, same routine, you've got the same clients going around, clients come, clients go, but you're not really taking yourself to whatever the next level of business and success. Because I'm at the mature end, what I call at the mature end of life, I feel like I've only got a short time left of working, so I need to maximise what I'm doing. And for the last 5 years, I've just been on that similar income, not really going anywhere. So I really was looking for something or somebody to support me, to enable me to move to the next level, so that I can reach the goals that I'm looking for in my freedom plan.
Yeah. So, I mean, back then, what would it, Jennifer, what would it mean to you if you were to fix those issues just before you joined? What would that mean really to yourself and your business?
To fix them, it just gives me, it means success, and it means that I can end up having a great life instead of having to struggle. I felt like I've done a lot of work in the last 20 years from when my family was young to get me to this point, but I just didn't feel like I had enough to be able to go to the next step on my own without any support. So that's what I was looking for, support to be able to.
Yeah, just I'll give a bit of context. So if you want to fix them, if you will continue doing what we're doing, what would that mean to you?
If I continue to do what I'm doing, I would have to work for a really long time. That's what I was looking at. So now that I'm on my way, I can really see, and I've become more excited about my future, that I'm going to be able to achieve the goals that I'm looking for, and I'm going to be able to do that in a really short period of time. And just even in the last 6 months, with the extra income that's coming my way, which just seems to be flowing, I'm a different person. The financial burdens are lifting, and it's so surprising that when that happens, how I feel. I can't believe the difference in how I feel. So I can only imagine in imparting that onto my clients as well, the feelings that they have. I can really understand at how powerful that is to get your finances under control, and to know that you can achieve the goals that you set for your future.
Yeah. But like I said, I think every time I talk to you, I get inspired. I get inspired to see you change every day, just the way you obviously getting more clients, the way you feel about yourself, just everything. And you inspire me just being part of this journey. So I've really been grateful for that. One thing, like if you were to say, what are the three, I would say it's three parts of a system in this program that have made the biggest impact in you, what would you say? There's three things.
Probably the most for me personally, I needed to know that I had a rock, that my mentor, and that's you, Simon, that was going to be there for me, that would walk with me and not let me go. And that is what is the best thing that I've had, is because from that, I've got confidence in knowing that I've got support, that I'm not alone. And that's really what's, I've loved about the program the most, is gaining that confidence that I've got someone that, yep, he's not going anywhere. The time's not up. It's not going to just drop me off, or the session's over, so that's it, I've moved on to the next one. So I feel that real connection of commitment from you. So that's what's been really important.
So it's about support?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
Definitely.
That's number one, support. And number two, if you can think of anything else.
So number two, you've given me confidence in self-worth, and also the other big thing is so many materials and tools to use, and to learn. At times a little overwhelming because of my technological deficit or deficiencies that I struggle with a little bit, and learning. But knowing that, I think getting your head right, and that's been the important thing that I said before, first is the important thing. And once that settles, then knowing that you've got all those tools to use to be able to support yourself and support your business and moving forward. That's what I'm really looking forward to getting into, that sort of like the second part, or the next part of the learning journey.
Yeah, cool. So if you want to give us a quick, maybe a minute of each part. So we talked about the support, there was the resources, I think you mentioned it was, if you want to just dive in really quickly, how did it really help you? For example, let's start with the support or the mentorship. How did it actually help you through the journey?
I guess knowing your self-worth, or underestimating your value. So when you gain confidence by knowing that someone's right beside you, that in turn then for me has created a momentum of, more emotional well-being, so that I feel better about myself. So that's what the support's given me. The tools and the learning. So LinkedIn and Facebook, that's sort of like it's been a real eye-opener for me. And, just having the confidence to even speak now and do a presentation on a video, that's using all of those tools that that are there, and getting that experience to be able to, put it all together and come across as being a professional. And yeah, that's what's.
How was it? Because I know that you've obviously you have gone, I believe, gone through our ups and downs since we started. It was emotionally, it was that system was simple, but it wasn't easy. There was taking effort as well. But then you had your wins. What were the things that you were trying to? I think remember we had a conversation that was for about 3 months back. What were the things that you were sort of use to actually helped you to gain this momentum with this amount of extra income and the new client that you signed up for the last 6 months? What are the things that you think that you have applied into practice actually dealing with your business and clients?
Following your scripts, like if you just follow what you've done, you've already created you've already created a tool and a system. You don't need to reinvent your own stuff. So follow the scripts, and that's what gives you the confidence to then be able to portray as being a professional, even if you're not quite ready internally. I think that comes with time. So yeah, it gives you the confidence to approach different professionals or professions that you think, oh, maybe they're on a bit too higher income for me. I couldn't talk to them, but having the confidence of the scripts that are already there, that's what's really helped me.
Got it. So it's about conversion piece. So once you got the confidence, you have the support, and it was the conversion that allowed you to help you get your high value clients over the line through the script.
Yeah.
And the system had cool.
And then with your mindset changing, like you said, I think it almost like it attracts itself, and things come your way unexpectedly. It just seems to just flow, and then you really know you're on the right path.
Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna ask you this. I'm excited to excited to see what come out of it. But what results have you achieved, and what has impacted your business?
Well,
I don't even really know what.
I know. Well, in the last 8 weeks, my sales have increased 100% in the same 8 weeks from the year before.
Wow.
So how pretty amazing is that? New clients, I seem to be getting new clients every week. And yeah, so from that, the bottom line means that my business and practice is now self-supporting, and I don't feel the burden of being the main income producer in that business. So I've got staff that are supporting me now that are holding their own. So taking that financial pressure away by that extra income has just been incredible.
And you have been, but you have been going through different trips as well.
Yeah. I've got, there's been family stuff going on. I've got, my son has some mental health stuff going on, depression and things. So I've been dealing with that at the same time.
Mm.
And life sends you some curly ones, but it's going really well. And I feel like because I've got your support, that's what's helping me stay on track.
So excited, so grateful you've been part of this, Jennifer. So, but who else have been impacted by this, the change that you made in your business?
Well, my partner, I'm happier, which is really good. Yeah. And just my whole life, it's just better. I think I'm a better boss.
Yeah. It is a different buzz. It is different vibration come out of it. That's for sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
My clients are happy. It's it's really good. And I truly put that back to taking that step and enlisting your support and help with the program. That's what's given me the momentum to shift and move forward.
And let's have a chat a little bit about the objection. So if I put a line and say, I almost did not join because, what would you say?
Money.
I
almost didn't join because of money.
What were you concerned about money? You worried about that you got your money wasted? Or?
Well, I had to put it on my credit card, which I don't like to do that. Cash flow was pretty tight at the time. So it's going, do I want to put, is it going to work? Is it a scam? Are you genuine? Are you really in Sydney? All of those things go through your mind. And also, culturally we're different. So I go, is that going to work? And that has not been a barrier at all, I will say, which is fabulous. So, there's all those different things that do come up, and I'm glad. I'm 100% glad that I did.
So, what's your favorite part? If I say the favorite part of working with New Age practice or myself?
It's there's the group in the Facebooks and seeing everybody else come online and, you know, seeing their successes as well and supporting one another. So we've originally, when we very first started, we had a smaller a closed face group and group, and there were some girls there that I've, you know, some other members that I made contact with, and, you know, we've made a bit of a connection as well, and that's besides the connection that you and I obviously have. And but yeah, so it's working together with the other participants in the program.
Cool. And who would you recommend it to, and why, if you don't mind sharing?
Anyone that's looking for support and someone that they're going to walk with them. So anyone in business that really wants to take their business and their income to the next level.
Is that anyone, or accountants, bookkeepers? And
well, I mean, I know you do specialising in accountants and bookkeepers in the financial world, but there's no reason why it couldn't be anyone in business.
we just haven't taken any of the clients anyway.
Yeah, that's right, because you specialise in, and you're developing your tools and you're developing what you offer to that. And it, like, really, the financial world is a big world, and there's a lot of people out there that need support with that, because, as you know, we all have the same issues. There's nobody's any different from anybody else. The accounting and bookkeeping world have their special issues in the sense that it's related to their financial areas and clients and what they do and don't do. But in the end, we all have a commonality of, you know, not worthiness, not feeling good enough, cycling, not stepping out of the comfort zone, feeling like you're in the washing machine. Yeah, so it's navigating your way through all that to come out the other end.
Got it. Cool. So yeah, thanks.